Hi, I am Tilmila. So I am from NIIT, Next Institute of Advanced Technology, which was in the Nagar, Hyderabad. So we are from the drone club in the NIIT. So we just basically start building the drones from the scratch. This was a drone which we built actually. We bought the parts from the one such companies like Drone Aviations, and we build such things. And this is having the cam module, but we removed the cam module, and we'll be doing such program. This was a programmable drone.
Okay.
And
So before that, I want to know clear information about drone. So what is the capacity, range, and how much you are charging for the drone and everything?
see, basically it was a educational purpose drone. This was a codable drone.
Okay.
So this
Means what you means by codable drone?
see, when it comes to the codable drone, I would like to give you the best example.
Okay.
When you have seen like purchasing a drone, you see like features like jet to arm and something like it can be having a good stabilization. So when you're purchasing a drone, you will be seeing such options, right? There's some of the features of the drone.
Okay.
So adding such features is possible only through the programming.
Okay.
So the programming capability, having the drone, the access is denied to the every purchase. So
Okay.
the access is given to this drone, so we can easily program to this drone. Okay. So if you launch this drone in it automatically take off.
Achha, okay.
This was the feature we built actually.
Any sensors will be there, like damages or something?
Moving sensors actually
Okay.
having, but very less with this drone actually.
Okay.
If we want to be calibrating to the, for example, if we want to add new sensors, we need to remove this canopy and we need to attach the new sensors here. Okay.
Okay.
So there are many opportunities to build something new with this, but this was one of the basic things, very basic thing to learn something. Okay.
Understood.
When going forward, we will be having like many things like building medicine delivery drone or agriculture drone or something like automated. And I would like suggest starting from the scratch is the best option. So this was one thing you can start learning about the drones and building and programming the drones.
Got it. So what is the range? Many meters, something of approximately.
I don't have a proper range idea, but it doesn't having that much altitude. Like I think it's 20 meters is height.
Okay.
I think.
Okay, 20 meters.
So if you go more than the 20 meters, the connection between the drone and the controller would be lost.
So what is the capacity of the battery? Like
The battery capacity was very low, like 6 to 7 minutes.
okay.
As it's a very low battery, so this was a battery actually. It's
Okay.
made up of lithium polymer battery, lipopolymer battery.
So how much time it will take to charge the battery?
It may take about 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you will provide any charger for that?
Yeah.
Inbuilt already there?
We have an inbuilt charging capability here.
Okay.
But we need to use some ports to charge the batteries.
Okay.
So this is about the
Understood. So maybe two batteries will come.
Yeah, but
Two batteries or one battery?
one or two.
One or two, depends upon. Okay. So we can buy separately, I think so. Batteries.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
This is a very minimal model of the
Okay.
battery.
So what is the price? How much you are charging?
See, this may cost on the model actually.
Okay.
So I think this is around of 7.
7K.
Yeah.
Okay. With the camera, without camera?
Without it having the
Without camera.
but
Okay.
we have to integrate it.
Okay. So if you want to with camera, how much will charge?
See, everything is under the price of 7K itself.
Okay, done. Okay. Got it. So
Yeah.